I'm Ashley from Let's Talk Porsche. I'm the Porsche Pro here at Porsche at South Lakes, and I'm here today to show you how to log into your My Porsche account and your PCN. So to log into My Porsche, as you can see, at the moment we're just in a guest profile. I'm going to drop down from there and go to account. I'm then going to add a new account. It's going to ask you for your Porsche ID and password, which I'm going to pop in now. So this then brings us to this screen here, which is asking us how we'd like to log in. So I'm going to choose login without security code. And it's going to ask me to put the security code in for the first time. And I'm also going to select the automatic login. Now the vehicle is currently in privacy mode. So to fully activate all the functions and associated data transfer, privacy mode must be deactivated. So here we go. Wonderful. That's our Porsche Connect all logged in. I'm going to click on online voice recognition in terms of your voice control. Accept. And away we go. So that's how to log into your My Porsche account in your car. If there's any other tech tips you'd like to see in the next videos, then just let us know in the comments below. But otherwise, I'll see you there.